Hi guys, this is RC Bugurin One Production and I'll be having a Beyblade Stadium unboxing. I'm really happy because I have now a real Beyblade Stadium. Here's the standard Beyblade Stadium. BB46. Wait a minute. There we go. BB46. Beyblade Stadium standard type, balance and stamina. As you can see the price. Yeah, a really good deal in this stadium. It's the Karatomi logo. The back, the stats, and yep. I'll be unbox this. This is my first stadium. Whoa, sorry for that. Wow, here's the I don't know what's this, pictures. So Lightning and Dragon and Dark Bull. This comes with these two stadiums and walls. It has 6 walls. And here's the walls. And let's go to open it. Let's open it. Wow. There's the walls. There's three black walls and three white walls. And okay, got it. There's at the back. Here's the instructions and how to put it, and how to put the walls in there. Yeah, really nice. And next, wow, it's the first walls. And I got a lot of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 walls that they gave me. They're really nice. And next to the stadium. Whoa, sorry for that. To the stadium. And whoa, what's this? Oh, for the tournaments. Yeah.